Hey guys, today I share how to make a delicious pot of Nsala that everyone will enjoy. Let's get started. In a clean pot, I'm going to add in my chicken. You can use any protein of your choice to make this soup. To that, I'm going to add in my washed and deboned catfish, my chopped onions, my blended crayfish, my Nsala spice, which consists of oziza, uda, and some ehu. I'm going to add in blended pepper, my ogiribo. Ogiribo is very important, very essential for making this soup. Then I'll add in 2 chicken seasonings. I'll add in some salt to taste, and then I'll add water to cook the soup. After adding the water, I'm going to cover this and start cooking. You want to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, stir it, take out the foil paper, add in your pounded yam. This will help to thicken up the soup. After adding in the yam, go in with some more crayfish powder, then cover and start cooking. Cook until the yam dissolves into the soup or until you get your desired consistency. Then you can stir this and your soup is ready. You can serve this with pounded yam or any swallow of your choice. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.